Believe it or not, I've never reviewed a drone before, but that's about to end today, starting with this unboxing of the Contixo. I don't really know how to pronounce this. Contixo. I'm thinking the F28 foldable GPS drone. This is user-friendly. Look, 14 plus. So it gives you full 2K HD footage. It's got a follow me mode, a selfie mode, waypoint mode, orbit mode, one key fly far, one key skyrocketing. If this is really user-friendly, I am going to be very, very happy because I also have some bikes that I want to review so that I can have the drone follow me and record the footage. So let's go ahead and start with this unboxing of the F28. Here's the plastic. And let's see what it looks like for the first time. And it's in a case. So, pretty small. This is pretty interesting. You could carry a drone in your backpack and then have it follow you with that selfie mode. So I'm going to open it up for the first time. And we see the drone instruction manual. I will definitely be reading this to make sure that I can understand how this operates, because this will be my first time operating a drone. You got this interesting plastic piece, or not plastic, sorry, foam. Oh, let's take that off. Oh, okay, so the foam is to hold the controller. That's wonderful. I'm already getting excited. I feel like a little kid right now. How come this wasn't around when I was a kid? You youngins don't understand how lucky you are. Here's the drone itself, and it's got a sticker on here. What does this say? Please remove the gimbal cover before turn on the power switch. Well, I guess I'll do that right now. Okay, so look, there's a cover. I guess you have to keep that. There's the camera. And it looks like they got these cardboard pieces. Let's see if I can get these off. I want to be very gentle with this, you know. These things you don't want to, seems like something you could break easily, but this one looks pretty good. Let me just open everything up. That's the size. There's the power button, charges USB-C. Jeez, what happens if I press this? What's this? This is why you should be reading the manual. You're watching me do this for the first time. I'm not sure what this does. There's a power button. I'm not going to press the power button yet. So let me just move this off to the side. Show you what you get. So again, this looks pretty user-friendly. You get the drone itself. Comes in its carrying case. I wonder what's inside here. Some cables. So in here, let's open it up. There's a bag in a bag. A and B. Well, now I'm really curious what this is. Oh, additional wings. Interesting. So I guess those get damaged. And there's B, so I'm going to leave those in. I already know what that is. And this looks like the USB-C cord to power it. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. Yeah, there we go. And in here, there's something, a screwdriver. Oh, wait, is that it? Yeah. So there you go, folks. You got your wings. Oh, man, I really wish they made another nicer bag that you can keep these in. So I'll have to leave it like that. Looks like there's some screws in there. I am going to leave that alone. I don't want to open these bags any more than I have to. This is very cool. I've never operated a drone. I'm going to read this manual. I'm going to understand this drone inside and out. And then we're going to do a review together to see how it fares up. So this is the final end review part of the F28 by Contixo. Not sure how that pronounced, but if you know, please leave in the comments below. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. Be sure to watch the full review of this. I'll see you again next time.